Hello everyone, I'm Mansi and once again welcome back to our series of video. आज की वीडियो में हम लोग एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने जाने वाले हैं एंड दैट इज़ अबाउट सुपरविजन इन हाउसकीपिंग. इन शॉर्ट इट इज़ अबाउट इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ वर्क. एक एग्जाम्पल लेके हम लोग इस टॉपिक को चालू करने वाले हैं. वी हैव सीन अबाउट प्लानिंग, about organization, about implementation. Like, let's take an example of a room. हमें रूम बनाने हैं, maybe more than one, or maybe the rooms which are there in the section. So when a GRA is concerned, guest room attendant is concerned, that person has to plan his work. First step is planning. Second, organizing. Like, he have to organize all the things which he or she will need to do the task in the room, like cleaning agents, cleaning equipment, supplies, bathroom linen, all the things which are required to make the room. Third is implementation. It is like doing the actual work, actually making the rooms, maybe the vacant one, maybe the occupied, the departure one. That is implementation. And most important, fourth part is evaluation, is looking for the fineness, looking for the standard, looking for the perfection. It is evaluation of the work. So what is the job of supervisor, or what is the supervision in housekeeping? So supervision in housekeeping is evaluation, is doing evaluation of the work, checking of the work which has been done by the lower staff who are there working under the supervisors. So housekeeping is the department where you will find many supervisors as per the area. When we have talked about various duties and responsibilities of the people who works in housekeeping department, we have talked about various supervisors, like we have floor supervisor, public area supervisor, linen room supervisor, night supervisor, laundry supervisor, uniform room supervisor. So at each place there is a separate supervisor. These supervisory level staff are the people who takes care of the work which is going on, if it is going in proper procedure, if proper cleaning agents are been used, if proper cleaning equipments are been used. All these things are seen by these supervisors. Supervisors are the people who directly manage the whole and soul manpower which is working into housekeeping. They are like a link between the higher authorities and the lower level, lower range staff. They are the mediocre between the executors and the staff. The whole and sole responsibility of not getting work done is on the supervisor, or getting the work done with efficiency, in proper time limit, with proper procedure, is also in the hand of supervisor. If the supervisor is good in planning, organizing and in implementation, then it is easier for that supervisor to do the evaluation of the work. So it is important कि जो supervisor है, जो leader है उस team का, that person has to be very strong. The person who is working as a supervisor, he has to be knowledgeable about the work which he is doing. नहीं तो कोई भी आके उसको शेंडी लगा के चला जाएगा. This should not be the case. That person should be keen knowledgeable about that particular thing. Then that person has to have a good personality, because he is leading some peoples with him. He is the leader of maybe unskilled people or semi-skilled people. That person have to groom those people to get those standards, to come till that standard. That person has to be innovative, that person has to be patient, that supervisor has to be calm and control to get the work done. वही supervisor अगर पैनिक होने वाला, बहुत ही अग्रेसिव होगा, no one can work under them, or people will not like to work under them. If a leader is good, then many people would like to work under them, would like to learn from them. That person has to do on job trainings while they are working. He has to teach people. If they are doing something wrong, then that time, at that moment, correction should happen, so that the mistake will not repeat and it will not harm the property, even the person who is doing the work. That person, the supervisors, need to be self motivated. अगर वो अच्छे से motivated है, then only that person can motivate his team to get the work done. So what are the task or the specific functions of a supervisor when housekeeping is concerned? The first and foremost important function or the work which a housekeeping supervisor does, and that is about guest room inspection. As the department changes, the duties and responsibilities of the supervisor will surely change. Like public area supervisor will take care for the cleaning of public area, uniform room supervisor will take care for the uniform room, laundry supervisor will take care for the laundry area. The duties and responsibilities, as I have told you, I'll surely provide the link of those video into description. Coming back to our topic, when we are talking about floor supervisor, guest room inspection is very important. Guest room are checked for their cleanliness, for their maintenance, and accordingly the guest room are inspected as per the occupancy, as per the demand. जैसी डिमांड है वैसे उस रेशो में गेस्ट रूम को इंस्पेक्ट किया जाता है. सुपरवाइजर हैज टू हैव अ वेरी keen eye for everything. He has to have a approach of eye for detail, because the last look of the supervisor will be the first look for the new guest who is checking into the room for the first time. A systematic method needs to be followed while inspecting a guest room, so that the process will be proper and anything will not be neglected. Like the person, when even the supervisor, when he or she is checking the room, they have to go clockwise or anti-clockwise. They have to come from high to low. Each and everything, right from minute maintenance till anything major, they have to check for each and everything, right from the placement of the amenities and supplies which are there into the guest room, till any kind of maintenance, any paint touch up, any polishing touch up. All these things needs to be taken care by the supervisor when they are doing inspection of room. There should be a proper inspection checklist in their hands, so that they can do their work more efficiently, more properly. So अगर कोई भी चीज़ वो check करते हैं, they will surely do the tick mark. If anything is missing, they will write it on the checklist. So it is helpful to keep the record of that particular room as well. अगर ये जो checklist है of the supervisor is very important. If there is any guest complaint, the first checklist which has been seen in the department will be the checklist of the supervisor. He or she has checked everything, and then if something is there, then the plan of action will be decided. Then it is about the VIP room. Like they have to take care that the VIP room is been made properly as per the preferences of that particular VIP. The most important work, one of the work for the supervisors, is handling a guest complaint. It is a very, very tactful job. That person who is handling the guest complaint should not get hyper, should not get panic, should not be like hesitant that person has to be calm and composed when they are dealing with a guest complaint. There are basically some guests who are genuine, उनका कुछ reason है, and then they are complaining, like any maintenance issue. इट कैन बी लाइक दैट कि जब सुपरवाइजर ने चेक किया तब वी विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बेड साइड लैम्प फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल. जब सुपरवाइजर ने चेक किया, जब रूम अटेंडेंट है उसने रूम बनाया, दैट टाइम इट वॉज वर्किंग बिकॉज इट इज़ द ड्यूटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ guest room attendant as well that he or she should on all the electrical switches which are there in the room. That time it was working. When supervisor have inspected the room, that time it was working. But maybe it can happen like when the guest have checked in and he or she may have on the light and that time वो fuse हुआ होगा. It can happen. It is not like a rocket science. It can happen. So this is a genuine complaint or genuine feedback that the light has been fused. But there are some guests who tends to do complaint. They are eager to find fault, they are eager to do complaint, they are eager to make chaos. So such guests are very केयरफुली हैंडल्ड बाय ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट. अगर ऐसे कोई गेस्ट आ रहे हैं तो उनके सामने लिख के आता है हैंडल विथ केयर, HWC, हैंडल विथ केयर, दैट सम टाइम इन सम प्रायर विजिट देयर has been some glitch which has happened with this guest and that should not be repeated and that's why this guest is handled with care. So there are basically 4 types of complaint: technical complaint, service related complaint, attitude complaint and unusual complaint. Technical complaint, as I have given you the example कि light fused हो गया है. So this is a very small technical complaint. The complaint has been received. Immediate action will be taken that the maintenance person will go to the room with the supervisor or guest room attendant. He will immediately replace the bulb which is there and he will come out of the room and the problem will be sorted. Then it's about service related complaint, that guest is not feeling a standard service has been given or the service which is offered to them is not up to the mark, is not up to the standard. So guest may complain about the service. This is a service related complaint. Third is about attitude complaint, like if any staff who has behaved tactless or any rude behavior has happened with the guest, then at that time such complaint can happen. And last is unusual complaint, like complaint करना है इसलिए मैंने complaint किया कि स्विमिंग पूल का साइज इतना क्यों नहीं है, मुझे इतना ही चाहिए था, बेड ऐसे क्यों है, उस तरफ क्यों नहीं है. सो दीज आर द थिंग विच कैनॉट बी रिजॉल्व्ड. सो दीज आर समथिंग अनयूजुअल कंप्लेंट. इसका कोई मायना नहीं होता है. इट्स जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कंप्लेंट द कंप्लेंट हैज बीन मेड. सो व्हेन सच कंप्लेंट हैपन्स देर आर सम गाइडलाइंस विच नीड्स टू बी फॉलोड और देर आर सम गाइडलाइंस which every person who is working in the property needs to follow. First is listen carefully, listen to the complaint with concern and empathy. Listening is very important. Half the time listening that person properly resolve the problem 60% then and there. मैं एक मेरा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी. व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ सुपरवाइज़र, दैट टाइम दिस हैड हैपन कि उनके बाथरूम में एक सप्लाईज का जो सेट था उसमें से एक सप्लाई का जो बॉटल था वो क्रैक्ड आया था एंड इट वॉज लीकिंग, द बाथ जेल वॉज लीकिंग थ्रू द बॉटल. सो दिस वॉज द कंप्लेंट एंड दैट लेडी वॉज लाइक अगर उसके ऊपर से कोई फिसल के गिर जाता या फिर कुछ हो जाता, मुझे कुछ हो जाता. I was there, I listened to the whole complaint, her whole concern very properly and very calmly with lots of empathy, and I just did one thing. I asked her that can a GRA, guest room attendant, and myself can come to your room. We will do the bathroom servicing once again, and we will replace the bathroom amenities which are there. That's it. Her concern was not only for herself, she was even worried about other guests as well. अगर ऐसे कहीं पे और किसी गेस्ट के रूम में हुआ है क्या, आपको चेक करना चाहिए. So this is something that was a lesson for me as well, that after that incident, whenever I have inspected the room, I have checked all the bottles of supplies, even that they are not cheaped, or they are not leaking from anywhere. So this is a very small kind of complaint, but that is the lesson which that complaint have taught me. Second is isolate the guest, so that जो बाकी के गेस्ट है वो डिस्टर्ब भी ना हो और उनके काम से डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी ना हो, और वो गेस्ट को शांत करना हमें इजी हो जाता है. बहुत भीड़ है और उधर ही कोई चिल्ला चाली करने लगा तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल सच सिचुएशन. एट दैट टाइम व्हेन द गेस्ट इज टॉकिंग, वी हैव टू बी वेरी काम एंड क्वाइट. Show our personal interest into the problem. Then take the complaint seriously. Take down the notes whichever the guest is telling. If there are more than one problem, like, please do take down the notes, so it will be like the guest will get calm. Okay, this person is writing it down. Okay, he or she is taking my complaint seriously, and it is easier for you as well to resolve the complaint. After the complaint has been resolved, then do the follow up with the guest ki, sir, ma'am, the complaint has been resolved. I hope you are comfortable now. If there is any demand of the guest which you cannot fulfill at that point of time, do offer some choices. Then tell the guest approximate time. Like for example, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले एग्जाम्पल दिया था about the fused bulb. At that time, when my supervisor was talking with the guest, he have told the guest, okay ma'am, certainly I understand your problem that the light has been fused. I'm really sorry for the issue which has happened. Just give me next 15 minutes and I will get the work done. So this time assurance is very important. So this is one of the important work which is there into the portfolio of the supervisor. With this, there are some other responsibilities as well. We will talk about them even in the next video. Till then, do like to our videos, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.